What is up, my beautiful beauties? Welcome back to my channel. I am Michaella Shanti. If you beauties are new here to my channel, so today I'm gonna get right into the video, beauties. So today I'm gonna show you guys how you guys can do a fox eye, a little bit of an eye lift with your eyelashes. I've seen this on TikTok. You guys have probably seen it on TikTok as well, on how you can get that uplift, you guys. So this is my first attempt on it, girl, so you know, don't judge me, girl. I'm trying. I'm gonna teach you guys how you guys can create this nice, beautiful, gorgeous look, okay, today. Also, I'm doing a little bit of a makeup tutorial for you beauties as well. So let's get right into the video. All right, beauties, so I'm going into my Bhcosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm going into the darkest, deepest blue shade over here. It is right under this lighter blue shade, so I'm taking that and I'm blending it right into my crease, so I'm getting a nice defined winged out cut crease, as you guys can see on the left side of the eye over here. And beauties, like I always tell you guys, always use a different brush when you're going into a different pigment. So I'm taking my first brush and I'm going into this pigment, and we're just gonna blend this out in a winged out effect onto our crease over here. So you guys, I'm just showing you guys, this is how we are blending it out. So we're just blending it out in that winged effect over here, so we can get that nice, beautiful swoosh, as we can see on the left side of the eye over here. And also, beauties, what kind of vibes are you getting off of this look, girl? Are you getting some Elsa vibes? Are you guys getting some 4th of July vibes? 4th of July just passed. I just wanted to pair it also, you guys. And also these little glitters, these little glittery stars that you guys see, this is also from tie-dye as well. Alright, beauties, so that is it for my first shade. So the next shade that we're going to get into, beauties, so I am going into the shade right above what we use. This darker blue pigment is the one we used right now. So I'm going into this lighter blue pigment over here right above this darker pigment. It is a lighter blue, and we're going to try to blend these two colors out and get a smooth consistency. Do not worry if it's looking a little sloppy, you know, at this moment. When you guys are first packing on these pigments, girl, just keep blending, blend to your life, girl. Just blend for your life, girl. And we are also going to go back in probably about 2 to 3 times with these shades until, like I said, you guys, in my previous video, until, beauties, you are happy with how your eyeshadow looks. Then you are done with that, and then you can move on to cutting your crease. But if you are not happy with how it looks, go back in and see what else you can do to make it better and make it to your desired consistency on how you want your cut crease to look in your shadows. And also, beauties, I did not know what I wanted to call this look, you guys. I was like, I really just want to try to do that fox eye look that I've seen on TikTok, but I also did want to get into a nice, beautiful look for you beauties as well today. So I did decide to do this beautiful winged out cut crease over here, and also pair it with a little bit, you know, some little stars, girl, and then do our fox eye and try to uplift it a little bit, girl. And then also, you guys, it's gonna look way better once we put everything on our face, girl. So like I said, you guys, makeup is a process, so we're gonna go through that process, girl, and by the end, girl, we are gonna get slayed to the gods, girl. We gonna be slayed, period. Okay. All right, beauties, so after I did blend out those 2 shades over here, as you beauties can see, so beauties, we're gonna get into this a lighter baby blue shade right across from the shade that we just previously used. So we're gonna blend this right on top of where we did put this pigment, and we're gonna blend these two together to get that nice smooth gradient effect. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take a blending brush that is, you guys want to look for a blending brush that is clean, that doesn't have any pigment on it yet. So just use a nice shading brush and then just go into these pigments, and it's gonna really smooth everything out together. Alright beauties, so now that we did blend out those 3 shades and we took just our regular blending brush and we blended that out with just a clean brush, now we're going to go back in with our pigments. You guys can do this probably like 2 to 3 times, see it till your desired effect, and then we are going to go in with our clean blending brush again and blend this out to your desired consistency, and then we are going to get into cutting our crease. Boo, okay? Alright beauty, so that is about my desired consistency for this blend over here, as you beauties can see. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean this up with a Q-tip and some micellar water so I can clean this outer edge a little bit, and we're going to really shape out our cut crease, as you guys can see on the left side of the eye over here. Alright beauty, so if you guys did want to know, so I'm using the micellar water. This is an all-in-one removes makeup, cleanse and soothes. So this is the one that I'm gonna be using over here, and it's not really like a flavor or anything. Not a flavor, you guys, but like rose water or anything, but I really do like this one over here. I also do enjoy the charcoal one as well. That one's really good, and I also do want to try out a different one, but this one works perfectly fine, you guys. I love the micellar water. It really does help clean up your crease. Alright beauty, so I'm going to be going into my e.l.f. 16 Hour Camouflage Concealer over here. So now we're going to be taking this and tracing out our cut crease grow. So what I'm doing is I'm taking it a little higher on the inner corners over here. I'm dipping it down and then I'm coming right back up. So I'm gonna pop this on in that winged out effect over here, girl. So you guys, I'm just taking my lash glue and you're just gonna dab where you wanna put that star, and you're gonna just dab this on first with you're gonna want something, a lash glue that's more of a, not just, you know, the squeezable bottles. You're gonna want one that has that little tip so you can brush it on, so that you can just pop a little bit on, and once you pop that on, let it get a little bit tacky and then just pop on your star so it can stick all together. So beauties, that's what it's looking like over here, beauties. You guys can see it's super glittery, super beautiful, girl. So now beauties, I did pop on my stars over here, girl. So now what we're about to do is we are about to trace out our little winged out fox eye over here, as you guys can see on the right side of the eye. Alright beauties, so I did put my little tape over here, you guys, because I do need a little help with this winged out liner because I brought it down a little bit more, you guys. Yes girl, I got some duct tape on my eye, girl. I am improvising, you guys. I do not have no fancy tape, girl, so I'm working with what I got, you guys. So I did just put tape right here, you guys, so we can get a nice smooth sleek winged out liner. We're not going to do it too much winged out because we already have this, you know, doing a whole lot, so we don't want to do too much here. So what I'm going to do is I'm taking my LA Girl Line Art Matte Eyeliner in black, and then we're going to be lining this out just a little bit, probably taking it out to where it curves up. So we're going to really focus on doing that over on this right side of the eye over here. You're going to apply this lash just like as if you guys were putting on your regular lash, but we're going to put it halfway on our eye. So we're kind of going to put it in the middle right here. And then from the outer edge where we did bring our winged eyeliner out, you are going to follow that. So instead of going on your lash line at the outer edge, you're going to make it come up with your eyeliner. So it's kind of going to go with the line of the outside of your eyeliner, and from you going halfway, it's going to go out and it's going to look super snatch and fox eye ready, girl. Okay, so beauties, I have my lash right over here. So we're putting it halfway on our eye, beauties, or maybe even just a little bit farther up. You want to make sure it is flat, looking nice. And then we're going to take this edge of our lash and we're going to pull it up. Alright beauties, so that's for the Fox Eye hack over there. So now beauties, as you guys can see, it's still a little white. That's because I didn't put my mascara on yet, you guys. So I'm gonna pop this on with mascara and I'm gonna blend in my lashes over here on my inner corner and with the other mascara. You know, girl, all we can do is try to strive for excellence, you guys. Like, try and just make this cut crease pop, make it slay, girl. Get to popping that cut crease, girl. Get it, girl, get it, ayy. All right, beauty, so that's what the eyes are looking like over here, girl. We all slayed out over here, okay? You guys can see that we have a nice, beautiful, winged out cut crease over here. Boom, bam. This blue is really going in with these blue contacts, you guys. I really wanted to try out my blue contacts and I wanted to do a look that would emphasize them as well, and I think this ties everything all together, you guys. And I wanted to try out this Fox Eye hack, you guys. So I'm loving how it's turning out over here, beauties. I hope you guys do enjoy this as well. All right, beauties, so I'm gonna get into doing my face off of camera, girl. So I'm gonna get into some full glam, full beat over here, okay? So I will be right back, you guys, okay? All right, my beautiful boos, this is the completed look for you beauties. Today I did a beautiful winged out effect over here. I'm getting some ice princess vibes over here from this look. I hope you beauties did enjoy this video, and I also hope you guys did find it helpful and some little tips and tricks on how you guys can create this fox eye and uplift your eye, give you a little bit of an eye lift with this type of look over here for you beauties. And thank you so much for staying in tune to my video, beauty. You mean the world to me. Thank you so much for sticking to the end. It means so much to me. I cannot explain to you. Thank you so much. And I love you, beauty, and I will catch you on my next week's upload, okay? I love you. Bye.